All right, guys, I'm standing outside today. I got this Avalanche on the dyno backwards, is too long, but yeah, check this thing out. This is a turbocharged, a little bit different build. It's a air ride, you know, on 28s. Thing's pretty cool. It's a 2010 Avalanche. Yeah, so check this thing out. It's pretty gnarly. Alright, like I said, this thing's on bags, on 28s. Pretty cool deal. Not 100% my style typically, but this thing is just well done. You gotta appreciate anything that's done really well. So typically anything like this doesn't have anything gnarly for a power plant, but this thing's got a single charger on it. It's an on-3 kit, get a little hood exit deal obviously. You know, it's got your inexpensive intake manifold and that kind of deal. It's got a cam and it sounds pretty good. But yeah, it's just a neat build. I really like it. Not sure what our power goals are yet. We're gonna kind of get the thing running, see what it makes. We had to put a set of injectors in it. We just got those in it yesterday. So now we just kind of get the drivability all done. It is a speed density deal, so it takes a little bit to get that all wrapped up, but we'll get that sorted. As far as drivability goes, and there's a couple transmission tuning issues I gotta sort out, so we're gonna go through all that stuff, get a preliminary here, and then see what it makes and go from there. It is just on pump gas. There's no boost controller on it or anything currently, so I think it's gonna make somewhere around 6 pounds. But yeah, gonna dive into this thing, make a few hits, and see what we can make of it. Alright, little pause in the action here. Made 452 horsepower, 385 foot-pounds of torque so far. Could turn it a little harder, probably pop that number up a touch. That's 6,400 RPM there, but good looking curve. So where we're at is we're gonna get a boost controller on this thing and turn the boost up. He's trying to see if we can make 600 with it, which we've got plenty of injector to do. Probably gonna pull the plugs out, gap them down a bit for that kind of power level. But yeah, gonna order a boost controller up, get it installed on this thing, crank the thing up, and see what we can do with it. But 450 on 5.8 pounds really isn't a bad number to start with. So yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'm excited. All right, that's what we made with the Avalanche, 596, 484. Look at this graph. That's actually not boost creep. Boost was pretty leveled out. Yeah, still climbing like crazy at 6,500. We're unfortunately very out of fuel pump. I had to turn it back down to gate pressure for now. We're gonna get a fuel pump in it. and bring it back for more down the road. But still, 600 wheel in this thing. It's kind of surprising. If it wasn't for the hood exit, it'd be a really great sleeper. Even with the hood exit, really, it's kind of going to be. I'm sure it will surprise some people. I would also imagine that it's probably never going to hook up, but we'll see. Maybe that'll surprise us too, right? But that's it for this one. Until it comes back with some more fuel system stuff in it, we're gonna shoot this thing out the door and work on the next project. But it sure is a neat piece nonetheless. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.